Alright, what's on everyone? So today in this video, what I have going on here, I have an unboxing from 2010. This is a Supreme hoodie and it is fairly old. And I'm very excited to be doing this because it's actually a hoodie that when I really saw it, I was like, I actually take interest in it. I think it's pretty cool. Not to mention it'll fit me too, which is also awesome. And this is going to the personal collection. This isn't anything I'm gonna resell. This is for me to keep. And I'm pretty excited about it because, I'm gonna try more this year to introduce older pieces to you all. So I'm gonna be trying to cop some older Supreme because everybody's starting to know about the new Supreme, but I actually want to bring in and sort of educate everybody, including myself, on the old stuff because I personally think that stuff's actually a lot cooler. It's even like some of this stuff, I think it's just like, it's unique, it's really nice. I'm gonna get into that, and that's really what I'm gonna be trying to do this year with the unboxings I'm gonna be doing, so I'm gonna start doing more of those. But we're gonna get straight into this. If you guys want more unboxings, you can subscribe below and drop a like. It'll let me know if you want more videos like this. But we're about to get into this video. I'm pretty excited for it. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff, or not a lot of stuff, it's a lot of information right here. So let's get started. But I'm gonna be real careful with this box. We're gonna open it like this. Got the kid scissors because we're being safe out here. All right, nobody's gonna get hurt, especially me opening this box. We're using the kid scissors. All right, educate yourselves. Use something safe. We're gonna open it from the side right here. All right, so we got one side open. And here we are. I'm not gonna show too much from there, but the box is in. All right, so I actually copped this off Hype House again. Shout out to him. I've introduced y'all to him in a past video. Second time I've mentioned him. A really good guy, does a lot of really good business. I meant to say great, hopefully that, I said great, but it just didn't really sound like that. So he's a great guy, quick and easy business. He's got a lot of really good deals and also a lot of really good stuff. So you wanna just hit him up, buy anything, you can go talk to him. I'll leave it in the description. And this isn't a promo or anything, like I paid for this fully, so like don't take it as that. This isn't a sponsorship or anything. It's just me shouting out some good business because I really respect that because there's a lot of people that really don't know how to do that now. And there's a lot of people that actually just scam people. So I found that, to be sort of sad, but yeah, this guy actually does legit business, so shout out to him. But here we are, all the stuff inside. There's no stickers. Well, obviously there's no stickers. It's an older item. I don't expect him to have any stickers for it, but he put it in a regular Supreme bag. Y'all can see that. And actually, I think he put some stickers in here for me. Yeah, look at this. Shout out Hype House. Look, he gave me some of the stickers from week 1. It's the girls one, red box logo, and then the lemon ones too. Actually, that's pretty cool. Like, I didn't expect him to even offer me these, but there we go. That's cool. But that's not the thing I'm discussing, all right? I'm gonna educate y'all on stickers. This is just stickers, nothing too crazy. The thing I want to educate y'all on is right here. Here we are. This is old. This is a 2010 Supreme Motion logo box logo hoodie. Not really a box logo. I don't know why I just said that, but it's just a Supreme Motion logo hoodie from 2010, and y'all can see this. Now, I'm gonna be very careful with this, and obviously that's my intent. Y'all can see that. There's Supreme right there. And you notice some of the details that still remain today. And yeah, this is actually in really good condition. I mean, that's what he said, and I believe him 100%. Really good hoodie material. I mean, smells good. That's nice. But here we are. I'm gonna try and really show y'all this. So here's what the Motion logo is. Now, if you all do not know this logo, then here it is. It's another one of the ones that Supreme, actually, I think they used it in fall winter 18 or spring summer 18, one or the other, and they had a varsity jacket with this logo on it. So here you go. Here's the hoodie from 2010, original one, gray colorway, and I find this to just be a fire item. I'm really happy to have it. Here are those old tags. I mean, this is the same ones they use today, but I mean, these are 9 years old. So I mean, this is an older hoodie, and this is actually about a little bit younger. My younger brother, he's 10, and this hoodie's pretty old, and I would say it's pretty cool because I'm trying to have a lot more pieces that are actually will like show you all what older Supreme pieces were. Like, I'm trying to add more variety to my collection in terms of like not just being new stuff or stuff from spring summer 17 through spring summer 19. I'm actually trying to have stuff that's older. So I have Damien Hirst from 2008 and this one from 2010 now. So here we go. I really am a fan of this. I'm just gonna put it on. The sizing was different back then, and I like the sizing back then compared to now. The sizing now is sort of whack. But here we are. See, like, this hoodie looks so much better than the ones they make now. But I mean, the ones they make now are still decent, but you see like the quality's different, the hood's different completely. Like, look, if I put this back, look, it's just like a different. Like, now the hoodies are just like, they're made of completely different material, and this looks way different. We got these right here. So, and yeah, the Motion logo right there. So, by the way, I probably look dumb because I'm wearing gray sweatpants too. So just, this does not necessarily, that's not necessarily how you wear it. I mean, maybe it is, but it may look dumb just to be wearing all gray. Or not, I don't know what you all think, but yeah, Motion logo so you guys can see. And it says Sup, and then it has the R, and then the Supreme fades out, and that's why it's called the Motion logo, because it's moving. I probably shouldn't have needed to explain that, or I probably just didn't need to. Y'all probably got that. But older piece, 2010, And you know, I'm glad to have a bit of history in my collection now. We're starting to build that, and I'm eventually gonna try and find some pieces in the 1990s, because that's gonna be really expensive and hard to do, but that would be dope to have. And I'm definitely gonna be looking for that and some earlier 2000 ones. Like I'm trying to find one on my birth year, 2002. I'm trying to find some pieces from there. So here we go, Motion logo, 2010. If we move back 8 years, on my birth year. So we're gonna try and get some pieces there. But again, all that stuff that gets really old, like beyond like 2008 and older, gets really hard to find. But if anybody has anything like that that's older than like the early 90s or like 2002 and earlier, 2004, anything like that, let me know. I'll be copying. So DM me on Instagram, any of those, at CLT Steals, at Tristan.Wick, any of those, just contact me if you have any pieces like that. I'll be copying. But yeah, that's it. Glad to have this. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, you guys can, and I would recommend it. But again, I'm not gonna force anything. I would appreciate it too if y'all would subscribe below. I'll be doing more videos like this. Hit me up if you have any older Supreme pieces. I'm talking old, like 20, I'll take 2010, anything like that. If you have older pieces, just let me know. I'm trying to build my collection on that now. So please hit me up and I'll be copping, especially if you throw some good deals. Consider it sold. But yeah, that's really it. Just thank y'all for watching. The love and support I've been getting recently is awesome on my Supreme dropless videos and all that. I'm gonna be moving away. You know, I'm still gonna be doing Supreme videos, but I'm actually trying to add some more variety too, with some helpful videos and also a vlog or two. I'm gonna try and throw in some more variety. So let me know anything you want to see unrelated to Supreme, and I'll be sure to do it. And yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate the support as usual, and peace out.
What up, Big Slick?
Not gonna lie, the gray and gray, not half bad. I think